Metaverse is going crazy this year. From buying land parcels to getting married within the metaverse is the real deal. Among all the noises, there is one new crypto project that claims to be the first VR metaverse and brings staking rewards within the metaverse. Welcome to Katosh Tubes, I'm your host Paris, and in today's video, I will talk about Solis Crypto Metaverse, which is built on a Solana blockchain and that aims to bring the immersive staking inside the metaverse and also be the first VR based metaverse. I will talk in length about this project, so do watch the complete video to get all the information. Before I start, if you are new to the channel, I welcome you on board. Start by subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get the weekly notification. And if you are a reader and wish to read about this project or any other crypto project of your choice, do check out the description box and click on the links, and also you can visit my website, which is katoshtips.com, and read everything about your favorite cryptocurrency. Having said that, it's time to jump right in and explore the Solis Metaverse. Before taking you through the list of topics that I am going to discuss in this video, I have a question for you. And the question is, what do you think of Metaverse in person? Do you believe it has a future or it's just a fad? Comment below and educate everyone around you. What do you think of this Metaverse, and especially, is it the future of gaming or not? I will wait for your answers. Now let's start with the topics of today. I will start with what is Solis Crypto, then I will talk about what is Solis Coin SLC. Next I'll talk about Solis Core Team, Solis Metaverse, a look into immersive staking, Solis ICO and its tokenomics, future roadmap of Solis Crypto, and finally, should you invest in the ICO of Solis Crypto or give it a pass? So I will start with what is Solis Crypto. Solis is the first decentralized gaming metaverse that is built on the Solana blockchain. Just like any other metaverse, the users can play, build, socialize, own, and even monetize their assets within the Solis metaverse. The best thing about Solis is the users are being rewarded for their active participation, and also it includes something called as immersive staking within the metaverse, which I will explain later in this video. Apart from it, it is about to launch its ICO, or specifically IDO sale, on Solanium.io in the matter of weeks. And post this, it will go ahead with the land sales in the year 2022. So therefore, I am telling you to watch the complete video because all details are covered in this video. Now coming to the next question, and that is, what is Solis Coin SLC? So Solis Coin is an SPL token which is the native currency of the Solis metaverse. Just like you have Decentraland Mana Coin and Pavia token, Solis Coin should play the same role. It will be an economic and a governance token for the metaverse. Users can buy in-game items and even lands using the Solis token. Moreover, the Solis token will also be the main currency in the network transaction, especially on the marketplace. It's your go-to currency when it comes to Solis metaverse. The total supply of Solis token is 400 million, and the full tokenomics will be shared later in this video. Now coming to the next part, and that is about its core team. For any project, it is very important that you should learn who the core team is and how strong they are with their background. A strong core team with a good vision can make the project successful, or a weak team can make it a failure. So starting with the CEO of the company is Mr. Christian, who has over 6 years of experience in the field of cryptocurrencies. He has already worked with the top projects like Phantom and Solanium. This metaverse project is actually its brainchild, and he is involved in the designing, mapping, and recruiting the core team members. That brings me to the second most important team member, whose name is Serena, who is also the COO of current project. The background of Serena is pretty solid. He is a business strategist and has closed over a deals worth $750 million. That's quite fascinating. Now the backbone of any crypto project is its CTO, which is Chief Technical Officer. His name is Ray. He has over 10 years experience in the IT industry with a deep know-how of Linux. Also, he is famous for bringing performance and customer traffic to the previous project. In the last role, he served as a project lead or a software lead for a company, that is Nissan. So there comes the credibility among the team members. Now if you wish to explore the complete list of the members, you can click on the link in the description and read about Solis Metaverse. Now coming to the next part, and that is a look into the key features of this metaverse. Number one is avatar. Just like I covered in Pavia Metaverse and also in Decentraland Metaverse, every metaverse has an avatar, which is nothing but your in-game look, which means how you want yourself to look like within the metaverse. And this is one of my avatar for one of the metaverse. Similarly, you can design your own avatar, your skin colors, your clothing, your heads, shoes, structure, everything using the avatar. The second key feature of the metaverse is lands. Of course, lands are the hot assets. These are the non-fungible scarce items which are there available on every blockchain. So currently Solis have a limit of only 60,000 land parcels compared to Pavia, which has a total of 100k or 1 lakh land parcels, and Decentraland, which has a total of 90,000 land parcels. You have to take part in the ICO if you wish to purchase the land sales, which is scheduled next year, because the land can only be purchased using the SLC tokens. And the next key feature is its marketplace. Every metaverse has its own marketplace, and that is necessary because everyone needs a place to trade. And marketplace does just that. It's a place where you can trade your in-game items, buy land parcels, and also rare assets which are there within the metaverse. The next key feature is pets. So pets is special to Solis metaverse. These are the virtual token that represent the pets of the landowners. The landowners will be able to see the pets on their land and they will follow them around wherever the landowner goes within the metaverse. The best part of pets is they are rare in the metaverse and each pet is unique in itself. That brings more value to the Solis ecosystem. Now Solis also have a key feature called as dungeons. So dungeons are the special gates within the metaverse. Players can enter into the dungeons and play games and also participate in challenges, which in turn rewards them with special SLC tokens and also rare items. Apart from these key features, Solis also have something called as user-defined revenue models, which means a user can decide how he wishes to monetize its assets or items within the metaverse. Isn't that interesting? You can rent your land within the metaverse, and also if you are an artist, you can rent a space and charge tickets for other users who want to enter your art gallery. That's a pretty good use case if you ask me. Apart from these features, there are crafting systems, editor, Solis ID, and much more within the metaverse. Details about them can be checked from the post shared in the description of the video. So that completes the key features. Now I will talk about the main part of this video, and that is very special to Solis Metaverse, and that is immersive staking. Immersive staking is also called as land staking. In Solis Metaverse, it has a provision in which the landowners can stake their SLC tokens within their own lands. Yes, you heard it right. Landowners can stake tokens within their lands, and then they can stake those tokens to earn more rewards and get rare materials or ingredients, which again can be used to create new assets or NFT with higher values. This is one of the unique features of Solis Metaverse, and no other metaverse at the moment has it. And combine it with VR, it's a deadly combination. Now comes the main part, and that is the ICO details and the tokenomics of Solis Metaverse. So Solis has a total supply of 400 million tokens, out of which just 2% have been allocated for the public sale, which makes it close to 8 million tokens up for public sale, which is scheduled to go live on sale on December 29th this month. The whitelist will start on December 27 and you can see the complete list right over here. Clearly, if you want to take part in the land sales, you have to take part in the Solis ICO. And once you be eligible and purchase SLC token, it will be easier for you to purchase land parcels in the next land sales. Apart from these dates, you can see the complete distribution of this token right in front of your screen. Clearly, you can see out of 400 million tokens, only 2% are allocated for public sale and the rest are distributed likewise. So that makes it much scarce in the coming future. Apart from the token distribution, you can also see the vesting schedule that is differentiated category wise. Each token in the public sale is priced just at around 7 cents. And there is no cap that the minimum amount that you need to purchase as per my information. So 7 cents is a very good opportunity for the initial investor to park their money. If you are lucky enough to get the lottery and get a chance to buy SLC tokens, I presume that you shouldn't miss those chances. Now I will take you through the project roadmap. So on the screen you can see a clear path the project has when it comes to the roadmap. You can see in Q4 the token sale is about to commence, followed by VR demo release, and in Q1 the actual land sales will take place, which is land pre-sales round 1 and 2. And in Q2 there is land pre-sales round 3 and 4 for the Solace crypto metaverse. Clearly they are very clear on the path and you should not miss Q4, Q1 and Q2 if you want to purchase SLC tokens, followed by buying your land parcel to reserve your spot in the Solace metaverse. So that completes the project roadmap, and now I will talk about the main part, and that is, should you invest in Solace ICO or IDO or not? Clearly it's not about the metaverse anymore. Metaverse is a proven concept and it's picking up heat, and Solace is there to become a part of it. Clearly it's about risk reward ratio than about the metaverse, at least at this point in time. 7 cents per token is a rare opportunity. If you are able to win the lottery and get hold of SLC token, there is no loss in purchasing the land with those tokens. And once you purchase the land and the project picks up, just like you have Pavia picking up fast, this project can also boom further. Clearly, the metaverse is going to be the future, at least for now I can say that. But you should always invest after your due diligence and take the final call depending upon your research. I will cover more about this project in my upcoming videos. So that's all about the video. If you want to learn about Pavia and Decentraland Metaverse, you can click on the link shared on the screen, and also do remember to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the weekly notification. I'll see you in the next video with the new content and the new case study. Till then, take care and have a good day.